Buenos dias, mi gente. So today, I'm getting ready to meet the parentals to go do breakfast at the original pancake house or something like that. And after that, of course, we're gonna go do some house shopping. So let's go and I'll take you along for the ride. You guys, look how cute these plants are. These could go outside in front of my front door. Oh, look at these. They're so pretty. Like, get 2 of these and put them in the front door. Oh, mommy, look at the pumpkins. These are so cute. Got all the different pumpkins. Waiting for the goods. You gotta be the first one so you could get the good stuff.
Good morning, my fine people. How are we?
Morning.
Come on in. Welcome to Bath and Body Works. How are we? How are we?
Good, how are you?
I'm just fabulous. Anything I can help y'all look for? Of course, anytime. Come on in. Just want to check. Anytime.
You guys, I bought this one. This one smells so good. Champagne apple and honey. I got the wall pluggings. Smells so good. They got all their fall scents. White pumpkin. Ooh, let's smell this one. I like that. It smells kind of good. This one is pumpkin pecan waffle. It's okay. Walk in the woods. Nope, that's enough for me. Alright, you guys, so I just came back from Bath and Body Works and Dollar Tree. So I'm going to share with you some of the house stuff that I picked up. When I tell you, do not sleep on Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, none of those dollar stores, okay? Because they have some really good stuff that I highly recommend. Like, I was able to get forks and sponges, and I even got a hammer. So yeah, so if you're interested in everything that I got today, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first stop was Bath and Body Works. When I tell you, I went in on Bath and Body Works because they were having a sale. So the first thing that I got from Bath and Body Works were soaps. I love their soaps. Their soaps are so freaking good. I got Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast is my favorite. It smells so good. And I also got, of course, I got 2 of the Champagne Toast candles. This fragrance is my favorite. So I got that. I also got Cozy Cashmere, and these are hand soaps. I got another Champagne Toast, and then Sunshine and Leaves. This smells like fall. It smells so good. I really like this one. Another thing I got was, I got 2 of these little Champagne Toast hand sanitizers. And then I went in on their the wallflowers, like their little plugins. I got like 25 of these, okay? And I'm gonna share with you every single one because it smells so good. Okay, so here's all the wall plugins that I bought. These are already on the wall. So I got champagne toast. I got 1,000 wishes. This one right here, this is a new one, champagne apple and honey. It smells so good. I have this in the kitchen, in the living room. I have champagne toast in my bedroom. I have 1,000 wishes in the guest room. Warm vanilla and sugar. I have this one in my office. And then this one, the champagne apple honey in the living room. So these are my leftovers. I got Into the Stars, Into the Night, Vanilla Musk. They smell so good, you guys. Champagne toast. I got like 4 of these. I got 1,000 wishes, the more champagne apple and honey, and warm vanilla. So I got all this from Bath and Body Works. All this right here. And I got more. It's just they're currently plugged in. This was my free gift that I got because I've been spending. So I got a free wall plug-in with a little, I don't even know how it goes. I think it goes like this. With a night light. So I got that. And then I got like 6 or 7 of these because I put one in each room. Okay, like I was saying in the intro, do not sleep on Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. They have the hookup, okay? So here's some of the few things that I got. I got a hammer, okay? Because the girl gotta be handy. So I got that. I also got batteries. You guys go to the dollar store. Go to Family Dollar and get some batteries. I also got bowls. I love these bowls. I buy them everywhere I move. I always replace them and buy them. I could have kept the original ones, but I didn't have space in my moving stuff. So I got 4 of these. I love these bowls. They're only $125. They're very good quality. So I got 4 of these. I also got their forks and their spoons and stuff. So if you're looking for quick little solutions or you don't want to spend too much, go to Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. I also got these kitchen bags. They're 13 gallons and they're pink and they smell so good. They smell like roses. So I have these in both of my bathrooms. I got these 2 neutral black and white oven mitts, you know, just to get stuff out the oven, and they're $125 each. You can't go wrong with this. I got a a trash can for my office. This was in the $5 section of Dollar General. So this was $5, but it's good quality and it's neutral. It's gonna go right in my office. I also got a pair of scissors because, you know, we're getting packages and we gotta open them. Sponges, you guys. I got 4 of these because I love sponges, you know, to clean, to do stuff around the house. So make sure you check out Dollar Tree for them. I also got some night lights. I hate sleeping in the dark, so one's gonna go in my bedroom, one's gonna go in the hallway. And then I got this cute little basket. It's pink. I got it from the $5 section, and I'm just gonna put all my little wallflowers in here just to store them nice and cute. Now, there's other things that I got is like car stuff. Actually, I got some Fabuloso to clean. But the rest of the stuff in here is car stuff because now that I have a garage and a driveway, I'm going to be saving some money. I'm going to be washing my own car. So I got the multi-purpose dash cleaner. Also got tire shine. I got this thing, use this for dishes, but I'm going to use this to clean my tires and the rims and stuff. And I also got this glass wipes for the windows. Of course, a sponge. And we got the wash. I got the wash and wax liquid. And of course, you can't wash your car without a bucket. So I got that. Let's do the wall plug-in. And then in the room, I'm gonna take champagne toast. It's in my room.
tantas cosas que quiero explorar contigo. Qué rico el bronceado marcado